Now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I was starting to look at some of the latest data coming in, and some of the snow totals and some of the forecast models are staggering. It all comes down to where some of the heavier bands set up, but this is going to be a high impact 12 to 18 inch kind of snow for everybody. And there could be even a few pockets of higher amounts, especially for like Cape Cod and Plymouth County. This is just going to be a tough go Friday night and Saturday. Temperatures right now, not bad, low to mid 20s. They won't drop too much tonight. Really frigid air last night, not quite the case tonight. And temperatures eventually tomorrow actually get mid 30s. It'll be actually a decent temperature day for Friday. I put a few little snow showers at noon and then again towards the evening hours. Not much snow. It's just like a little snow shower flurry. It's not the main storm. It's just a frontal boundary that will get temperatures down as we go into Friday night. So 30s on Friday. We're not going to get back there on Saturday. It'll be really cold. And that's one thing I want to talk about more with this hit. So cold when that snow and that wind comes in Friday night into Saturday. I mean, wind chill values are going to be brutal. All right, winter storm watch. Blue color for just about everybody. It also is for areas to the west, but we don't forecast for there, so I put the graphic over it. But the watch means that there's conditions for a winter storm. And we know it's going to happen. It's just a matter of when those alerts get upgraded to warnings. And they'll likely become winter storm warnings for most of the area. And I would not be surprised if a few blizzard warnings are issued for parts of southeastern Mass. So we know heavy snow and strong winds are on the way Friday night and Saturday. That snow arrives after midnight and will start to get steadier and heavier throughout the morning on Saturday, but really gets bad as we go into the noontime and afternoon hours. And that's when the combination of strong winds and snow coming down at rates of like 3 inches per hour just causes like that snow globe can't see effect where you're driving and you're like this, and, and it's tough to see the front of your own car, let alone that the roads could be snow covered. So storm timeline, Friday evening, a few little snow showers, no big deal. But after we go past midnight, Friday night, the steady snow moves in, and by the time we get up Saturday morning, heavy snow's coming down. The progression of wind and snow throughout the day on Saturday, roads are gonna get bad quick. And it's gonna be so hard for anybody to keep up with this, especially with the wind blowing and drifting, a very powdery kind of snow. You could just plow one road and then all of a sudden that gets right back on the road after they drive by. And then Saturday night, that heavy snow continues in the evening and the winds will be cranking. 35, 45 gusts in orange, 45, 60 in the red. Yeah, you gotta be concerned not only about the blowing and drifting of snow, but what about power outages with cold temperatures and you lose heat? That's a concern. Luckily for us, most of the area is powdery snow, so we'll be able to blow and drift around. But areas like on Cape Cod, where it will be a little thicker snow, a little heavier snow in weight, there could be some widespread power outages with cold temperatures. That's not a good combination. So a few snow showers on Friday, not a big deal. As we go into Friday night, Saturday, that's when the storm moves north. The nor'easter will pack a punch as we go into Saturday morning. You see that rain-snow line. It's close, but it stays far enough away that we are all snow. That snow comes down and the rates increase in the afternoon. Wind strong as well. Eventually by Sunday morning, it all pulls on out of here. And behind it, you're just left with really cold temperatures on Sunday. Breezy conditions. 12 to 18 for our entire forecast area. Some areas will get really close to that top end amount, and it's going to be a tough one for the beginning of the weekend. Moderating temperatures, though, by next week. Nick.
Jeff had said that Mom, Dad, and Grandpa for me out in Plymouth would have different snow totals, but they're pretty similar, huh, Jeff? For now. Okay, for now. That's right. That's a good disclaimer. Some news on the